Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is PJ. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. If you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and you can like and comment on this video. You can also share your experience so far using this strategy, and we have a Telegram group on the description of the video. You can join for you to have access to a lot of things. Today I'm going to show you how you can take up how you can take your buy entry and your zone entry using this particular indicator. This is one of the powerful indicator that can really help you to grow up your accounts from smaller to bigger. So let me show you the settings of the indicator first. um, on our main chart we have the parabolic sax, which is the step of 0.01. We have the maximums to be 0.1. So I have my style in this, and you can choose any color of your choice. Then you press undo. Then we have the Bollinger Band. We have the period of 1. We have the divisional of 1.000. We have the shift of 0. We have applied to previous indicator data. You just screenshot this and set it up on your phone. Then you press done. Then we have the first indicator window 1. We have the relative strength index. We have the period of 1000. We have applied to close, and we have our style to be in black color because that is the color of my background. So if you are using white background, make sure that this color is in white color so that you will now have different charts with you. So I have my level here, which is the level of 85. I have the level of 50. I have the level of 15, which is the buy between 0 to 15, and my 50 level indicates the modified sell to break even, and I have my 85 to be the buy zone between the 85 to 100. Don't worry, everything you're going to see it. So I have my envelope on my indicator window 1. I have the period of 14. I have methods to be linear weight. You just screenshot it. The upper band and the lower band should be the opposite color of your background. So I'm using black background, so I need to select white here. So if you are using white color, then you select black here. So then you press on done. Then you move to the next one, which is the Chimoku. We have the first one to be, you see the three period first are in 10. So you click on this. So you just screenshot it the way I set it up like this. So the style color are going to be in black except the last one. So if you are using white background, you can also set that to white color in your, if you are using white background, you can set it to your white color and make only the last color to be different. So you can choose any color of your choice. And you press on done. Then we have the last one, which is the moving average. The moving average of period of 10. We have shift to be 0. We have methods to be linear weight. We have applied to be typical and typical price. You see that, and I choose red as my color here. So you also can choose any color as your choice. So by doing this now, you will have this same indicator on your chart. So this particular indicator, it was on boom, it was on crash. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how it works on crash here. And I'm going to make another video on boom 500 and crash 500. So let me tell you how you are going to be identify each particular trade that you are going to be taking using this strategy. One of the things that you need to identify most is when your trade is giving out this particular entry. You see, for every trade, for every beginning entry now, is going to be giving you a deep green at the as it's giving to me now. You see, I'm having a deep green now before I take up another trend. So when you are seeing that particular trend on your market, you see that you are going to be having another trend. You see, it's showing it up here before the markets move on a downtrend. So let's see that. You see, it's giving it out at this particular side before the market move on a downside. So I'm currently on the market now. You see what the market is doing? It's bringing it out at this level. You see, that means that we are having another trend. We are having another uptrend very soon. So after you have confirmed this particular entry from your main chart, another thing that you need to confirm is or you need to confirm your entry on your indicator window one, which you are going to be having your Ichimoku at the above 85 to 100. You see, it's going to be between the 85 and 100. Your Ichimoku will be the first to confirm that particular entry. Then you are going to be having your moving average also to enter that particular aspect. So your moving average and the envelope is going to be confirming it also, but you first have your Ichimoku on that period, on that between 85 to 100. So when you have that, you know that there is a particular trade that is coming. I told you guys to adjust your screen on your phone. Make sure that you are trading with the last. You see you can adjust it to the last. It helps you to identify the original and the fake one. You see, like currently chain now, we are having our Ichimoku that has confirmed this particular entry. So what we are looking for now is for our envelope and our moving average to confirm this entry, and it already confirmed it because it has already entered the level of 15 to 0. So now we know that the trade is what is coming down a little bit, and keep on spiking up. So that is the confirmation of our trade currently. We know that that trade is going to be what going on a uptrend. You see that? So after you identify that trade that stay on that particular zone, you see, on our 85 to 100 level now, you see, when you move that trade from the beginning to the last window now, you see it's like 75% accurate. So you can enter this trade for a few minutes and you out of your market. You see, but before you confirm that particular trade, you need to confirm this entry first. You need to confirm this part. You see, when your Ichimoku appears, it appears on this particular side. Let me show you. You see, the Ichimoku appear at this level, and when it appear at this level, you keep on checking that particular zone until you have your confirmation on your what, on your envelope and your moving average. You see that until you have your confirmation on this. When you have this confirmation on this indicator window one, then you wait for your market to what, to give out a what, this particular zone, to give out this particular zone. When you give it out, then you can enter your market and what, and sell down. You see, I'm going to show you some more example of what I'm talking about here. So let's check for more. You see, let's check for this particular zone now. You see, it sit on that particular level from the beginning to the end. You see, it's like 75% accurate also, but you will find some that sits on that entry for long time. You see, like what we have at the top on this particular side. Let's check that. Maybe it sits. You see, if from the beginning of the trade, you see, when you move it to the end, it still sit on that what, on that 85 to odd, between 85 and odd level. You see, it still sits between the two. So what you need to do is to confirm your Ichimoku first. When your Ichimoku enter this particular trade, then you know that your trade is what, is coming on a not on a live. So and you wait for your confirmation on your what, on your envelope and moving average to confirm. When you see that, you wait for your what, your confirmation at this particular entry. You wait for your confirmation at this particular entry, and you enter your market to this level. You see that? So that is exactly what I want to show you guys. So you can also, let's go to boom crash 1000 for us to see how it works here. You see, the first thing you need to do is to identify that particular level that sits on the what, on the level. So like this, we are going to be checking this entry first. So you just trade anything that went below the 15, and anything that went above 85 level. So let's see this. You see, what is happening here currently now is that we have confirmed our Ichimoku to what, to trade below the 15 level. You see, we have the confirmation at this level, And if we check our main chart, we see that the Chimokun the trade is what is coming on a what, on a downtrend, but we are not taking this particular trade at this level until we wait for our what, we wait for our envelope and moving average to cross that same level as Ichimoku has done its own. So we enter the particular market at this level when we confirm our Ichimoku. You see, Ichimoku do what, our Ichimoku enter at this level, and our envelope and moving average cross at this level. So this is exactly the time for you to enter your market at this level. So you wait for the markets, we wait for the main chart to give out a what, a this signal, and you can easily enter the trade and keep on what, buying up to this particular zone. So if not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly help me to subscribe. It's going to help us a lot. And you can like and comment on this video. Share us your strategy, share us your experience so far with this strategy. And you can also join our Telegram group for free signals and free indicator. Thanks.